Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to make this yummy, tasty bacon wrapped asparagus. You need to try this, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So if you're interested, let's get started. Let's go into my kitchen and get this started. So I have my bacon here. So what you're gonna need is bacon for sure, and you need a knife, and you need some asparagus as well, and probably a chopping board and some plates. That's what I have right there. So I choose to wrap one at a time, and I cut my bacon into half so that I can use just one bacon on each asparagus. But if you want, you can use a whole bacon and wrap, but well, I just didn't want to put like way too much asparagus or way too much bacon on each asparagus. So I decided to use one bacon strip to one asparagus. So I'm just nicely wrapping that around, and I know that you probably are not really seeing exactly how I wrap that one. So I'm going to show you again. So I'm just cutting my bacon in the middle, and I am going to use each side, like each piece, and wrap the asparagus. My asparagus are pretty long, so if you want to cut yours to be a little bit shorter, you can do that, but I prefer to just have it whole like this. I think I bought them like this, and I did not try to cut them into half or anything. So I used just that one bacon, cut it into two, and then wrap it around my long asparagus. So one cut into two is able to wrap the full length of it. So I'm just kind of carefully arranging that to make sure that it is nicely wrapped and there's no areas left. So that's the second one, and I'm just going to do the third one as well, just so that you can see again. And also, you can choose to wrap more than one asparagus. I think I actually did one where I wrap like three at a time. So I like have three and then use one bacon or two bacon strips to wrap around them. So you can also do that as well. But if you want more yummy, go ahead and wrap that. And if you're somebody like me who doesn't really care eating asparagus, this is the best way to eat asparagus. It tastes amazing, really good, guys. So that is the third one that I've wrapped, and I'm going to go off the camera and wrap everything. So I have finished wrapping the whole thing, and I have it lined up in my baking pan, and I'm just seasoning them. So if you've been watching my videos, I always say that when it comes to cooking, try to make it yours. So this bacon is already seasoned with salt, so it's tasty on its own. So this part is completely optional, you don't have to do this, but I am seasoning it with some garlic powder, some paprika, and some black pepper. This girl loves black pepper, and I'm sure you know that already. I use black pepper in everything. So I'm just kind of just seasoning everything, just going around and season everything. And once I season that, I am going to take it into my oven. I have my oven heated at 350, and I baked that in my oven. I think I baked it for about 30 minutes, and I did not turn the sides to bake because I baked that part and then I turned my stove to broil. So if your stove has that option, definitely go for it. Otherwise, just turn the sides and bake. So look at that, guys. Doesn't it look so nice? It tastes just as it looks, guys. Maybe it tastes even better than it looks. So thank you so much. That's it for this video, guys. If you try this at home, let me know, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you try this. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video.